Alright guys, what's up? So I'm going to start putting out some short videos, maybe once or twice a week, just kind of talking about my reaction or my thoughts on the results of some of these polls I've been posting. I think the first one I posted was favorite brand, and you could choose between the KTM group, which is KTM, Husky, Gas, Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha, Suzuki. Basically on these I just want to talk about my thoughts and if the poll went the way I suspected or if it didn't. So these will just be quick videos letting you guys know my 2 cents on it. First of all, I voted for KTM group. Obviously, you know, I work at a KTM dealership, but I was really surprised that the KTM group made up half of the poll. Obviously, I put out a lot of KTM content in the last 18 months. But before that, you know, it was almost all Japanese content. All my bikes were Cowies, a lot of Cowie stuff. I had a lot of Cowie guys, which makes it even more interesting to me that Kawasaki got 4th in the poll. KTM group first with 46%, Yamaha second with 19%, Honda third with 16%, and Kawasaki 4th with 15%. Yeah, Suzuki finished last with 4%, which doesn't really surprise me. But yeah, that's kind of a shocker to me, guys. I had no idea that I had built that size of a KTM following on here, and that's exciting though. So my Cali and Suzuki guys, where you at? Oh, I don't know. Thanks for voting, guys. Keep voting on these polls. See you in the next one.